Pinakamagandang health insurance sa Pilipinas, pag-usapan natin yan. Kahit sinong agent pa or kumpanya ang tatanungin mo, I'm sure mag-a-agree sila sa akin dito. Number 1, zero waste ang insurance na to. Kasi 100% ng funds mo isasauli sa'yo pag wala kang claims by the age of 75 years old. So lahat ng binayad mo, ibabalik sa'yo. Number 2, ito lang ang health insurance na pwede kang mag-claim ng 3 beses. For example, meron kang 1 million peso coverage, you can claim 1 million pesos each time ma-diagnose ka or tinamaan ka ng any of these critical illnesses. Meron pang separate na 20% minor critical illness benefit. So if meron kang 1 million peso coverage, you will receive an additional of 200,000 pesos if na-diagnose ka ng minor critical illness. Number 3, this will also act as your life insurance. So if something happens to you, your family is protected and protected ka rin sa mga hospital bills. And this is cash guaranteed. Ang maganda pa dito, meron kang flexible payment option. Pwede kang pumili between 5 years, 10 years, or even 20 years. So di mo to kailangan bayaran ng habang buhay. And there's a big discount if babayaran mo yung isang buong taon. Last but not the least, if na-diagnose ka ng critical illness, hindi mo na kailangan bayaran pa yung succeeding premiums mo. So kunwari, 20-year payment yung pinili mo and na-diagnose ka on your 3rd year. Ibig sabihin, the remaining 17 years, waive na yung premiums mo. If you want to learn more about the best health insurance in the Philippines, comment the word HOW in the comment section para matulungan kita. Follow for more.